So today in this video we are going to discuss about values of trigonometric ratios for certain standard angles and the applications of that is exercise 10.2, right, from R.D. Sharma new edition. Okay, so now first let us see the values of trigonometric ratios. How many trigonometric ratios we have? 6 trigonometric ratios are there, and values of these trigonometric ratios for certain standard angles. What are the standard angles that we have taken here? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay, right. Now if you talk about the trigonometric ratios, the sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Okay, right. So now suppose if sine is a trigonometric ratio which is defined between, you already know it, is it not? That is perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? And if theta is 0 degrees, that means sine 0 degrees is 0. Now sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, what is the value of that one? 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees, it is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees is 1. See here you can see a table, right, with how many values? Altogether 6 here and then 5 here, 30 values, right? These 30 values are not necessary for you to remember, right? So in the beginning, so as we start applying in the problems, automatically we'll get all the values, but don't by heart all the 30 values like that. If you remember only sine values, that is enough. The remaining table you can fill by yourself. I'll tell you what techniques we need to use. Right, now first of all, again let us see that sine 0 is 0, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, sine 90 degrees is 1. As have you have sine A, sine B, sine C, sine theta, like that, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90 degrees. Right, so once when sine values are known to us, very easy. Cos values, just from the reverse order you write down all the sine values in the reverse order, that will give you the cosine value. Now see, so starting from the end, this end point, that is the sine 90 value is cos 0, sine 60 value is cos 30, sine 45 cos 45 common, so same value, right? And then sine 60 is sine 30 is cos 60, sine 0 is cos 90, right? So just whatever values you have them, like starting from the end, see 1, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. That's all. So now once when you know sine values, like if you can by heart them as 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. And the angles in ascending order 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. Okay. If you can just remember these 5 values, it is easy to find the remaining. As I said, for cos, what is the thing you need to remember? Just reverse order you write all the things. Tan, what is tan defined as? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is also defined as sin theta by cos theta. How? See here in sine and cos you have hypotenuse in the denominator. So that will get cancelled. In place of sine you will be getting opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. So therefore this by this, 0 by something is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here you can see that same denominator, that will get cancelled. So therefore 1 by root 3 we are left with. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 will get cancelled, 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled because same common denominator. And root 3. So 1 by 0. Something by 0 is infinity, or rather we say that it is not defined. Because infinity is not defined. So it is like not defined. Right? That is in case of tan. Now when it comes to cosecant theta. Right? These are the 3 things that if you know, remaining all are reciprocals, right? Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine, that is 1 by 0. Something by 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Now root 3 by 2, reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal is of course 1 only. Right? So reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Right? Sine by cos is tan. And now cos and sine are a difference of, phase difference of 90, we call them as. Like, and now secant is 1 by cos. Secant is 1 by cos. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1, of course, if you can. Right, 1 by 2 is 2. 0, that means it is something by 0. It is 1 by 0. Reciprocal means here it will become 1 by 0, which is not defined again. Now cot is 1 by tan, 1 by 0, not defined. 1 by reciprocal of 1 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Now reciprocal of not defined is something divided by 0 is not defined. Now it will become 0 by something. 0 by something is always 0. Clear? This is how you have to understand the table of values for the 6 trigonometric ratios, right? And for 5 different standard angles. Those are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Clear? So now let us start doing the problems, right, from exercise 10.2. So I'll pick some random problems from exercise 10.2. So evaluate the following is the question. That is question number 1 to 19, right? 1 to 19. All questions are evaluate questions only. Right? So all these are evaluate questions only. So let me take 8th one. I'm going to directly to 8th one. 1 to 7 all simple things only. You can directly substitute the values. Now see the 8th one. So question asked here is sine square 30 degrees, cos square 45 degrees plus 4 times tan square 30 degrees plus 1 by 2 times sine square 90 degrees plus 1 by 24 times of cos square 0. So for convenience I am writing here in the ascending order sign values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2, right, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 5 values, right? So that is for 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, clear. Right, now sine square 30 degrees. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 whole square. Into cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So that is 1 by root 2 whole square. Right, plus 4 times of tan square 30. So tan 30 means sine 30 by cos 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This will get cancelled and so therefore 1 by root 3 whole square plus half of sine square 90. Sine 90 is 1 whole square plus 1 by 24 into cos square 0. Cos 0 is 1. So 1. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Root and 2 will get cancelled. Plus now 4 times of 1 by root 3 whole square. Root 3 and square will get cancelled. So therefore root and square will get cancelled and we have 1 by 3. So plus half into 1 is half plus 1 by 24. So this is equal to now 1 by 8 plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 24. So what is the LCM? So 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM because all these numbers are the factors of 24. So therefore 24 is the LCM. Now here you have 8 in the denominator, therefore 3 should be multiplied here in order to get 24, hence here also 3. So 1 into 3, 3, plus now here we have only 3, you need to multiply 8. So 4 8s are 32, plus we have only 2 here, 2 12s are 24, so 12 into 1 is 12 plus 1. You have 24 in the denominator, here also 24, so no change. So 3 plus 32 plus 12 plus 1, right, which is equal to 3 plus 32 is 35 plus 10 45 plus 2 47 plus 1 48 by 24, which is equal 24 goes 2 times, so therefore that is equal to 2. Okay, so the value of sine square 30 cos square 45 plus 4 tan square 30 plus half sine square 90 plus 1 by 2 cos square 0 is 2. Okay, so this is how you have to evaluate. So for these problems to be done, or if you want to really seriously do these problems very quickly, then you need to by heart the values that are given in the table. So if you can remember in the mind, sine reverse order is cos, and then sine by sine cos is tan, and then 1 by sine is cosecant, 1 by cos is secant, 1 by cot is tan. So like that you can write and understand. Okay, so practice the values first. Now let us see 11th problem. Like 11th one now we are seeing, which is like we need to evaluate this one. Cosecant cube 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees, tan cube 45 degrees, tan cube 45 degrees into sine square 90 degrees into secant square 45 degrees into cot 30 degrees. So this is the question which is asked. So no addition or subtraction is there in between. So totally is only single term kind, right? So it's all multiplication only, right? So now let us see this one. This is equal to, this whole thing is equal to cosecant. What is cosecant? 1 by sine, is it not? Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of that is 2. So it is now 2 cube into cos 60. What is cos 60 is equal to sine 30, which is 1 by 2. Now tan cube 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 cube. Sine 90 is 1. 1. Therefore 1 square. Now secant square 45. Right? Secant is 1 by cos. Right? Secant is 1 by cos. What is cos 45 value? 1 by root 2. Now it is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 whole square, because secant square 45 is us. Next one is cot 30. So what is cot can also be defined as cos by sine. So what is cos value for 30 and sine value for 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So now cot 30 means cos 30 by sine 30, that is root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, which is root 3 whole square. So I am only just giving you how to recollect the values based on their relationships. If you can fatafat by heart and then remember, you can also do like that. Right. So therefore now it is 2 cube means 8 into 1 by 2 into 1 you can neglect it, into 2 root 3 whole square is again 3. So 2 will get cancelled, 3 8s are 24. So this is the answer to the 11th problem. Okay, next 15th one. 15th problem, 4 by cot square 30. All are evaluate problems only. Sin square 60 degrees minus cos square 45 degrees. So this is the question asked. Right. So what is the first term? First term is 4 by cot square 30. Right. So now this is equal to 4 by cot 30 is root 3 whole square plus 1 by sin 60 whole square. Sin square 60 means sin 60 whole square. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square minus cos 45, it is 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay, so now 4 by root and 2 will get cancelled here. 4 by 3 plus this one can be written as, you can reciprocate it, right? So root 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by root 3 whole square, right? 2 by root 3 whole square. So minus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So next step, 4 by 3 plus 2 square is 4 by again root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so which is equal to, what is the LCM? LCM is 6. You have 3 here, you have to multiply with 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 8 minus, you have 2 here, you have to multiply with 3. So that is minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 by 6. So what is the answer? It is 13 by 6. I can write it here also. 13 by 6. This is the final answer. So let us see one more problem. All are of similar kind. You need to substitute the values of trigonometric ratios and then we can evaluate the question which is given in any manner. Okay. So like 17th problem. So many terms are there. Such problems I am picking. 4 cos square 45 plus 3 secant square 30 plus 5 cos square 90 whole divided by cosecant 30 plus secant 60 minus cot square 30. The same concept is the same. Tan 60 is sin 60 by cos 60. What is sin 60? It is root 3 by 2, right? By cos 60 is 1 by 2. So root 3 whole square plus 4 times cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 times of secant square 30, which is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is 2 by root 3 whole square plus 5 times cos square 90. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Divided by cosecant 30, which is reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, so therefore it is 2. Plus secant 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Again this is reciprocal is 2. Minus cot square 30 or cot 30 whole square. What is cos 30 value? So where are we? Cot 30 value. Cot 30 means cos 30 by sin 30. You can remember it like that, right? So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, so that is root 3 whole square, right. So root 3 whole square, root and square will get cancelled, it is 3, 4 into 1 by 2, same logic, plus 3 into 4 by 3 plus 0 whole by 2 plus 2 is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3, which is equal to 1, is it not? So now 2 goes 2 times in this term, 3 will get cancelled. So how much are we left with? 3 plus 2 plus, so this is 4 by 4 minus 3 is 1. So 5 plus 4, it is 9. So 17th problem is, answer is 9. Okay, clear? So all are of the same kind. You need to only simplify, right, after recollecting the values and putting it in the required places. Clear? Yes. Now you pause the video, right, and then copy down the solutions. Right. So this is all for today.